Okay, dear students, we are in quadratic equations. We are discussing in last video. We started discussing problems based on quadratic equations, and we'll continue with those problems. Now, let's take the next model. There's in this form: solve 2 into x square plus 1 by x square minus 3 into x plus 1 by x equal to 1. This model. Let's solve this one. Okay, this kind of model, how do you solve solution? How do you solve this kind of model? This is actually called reciprocal equation. Okay, so but now, as of now, we'll discuss how do you solve this kind of model. Later it will come again. So let's take this as t, say, or let this equal to t. This one I am taking as t. An important trick, actually, it is very important trick. So here, what if you square on both sides will give you x square plus 1 by x square minus plus 2ab. 2 into a into b is what is t square. This is what is important part. So that is x square plus 1 by x square. Automatically you get as t square minus 2. This is important trick to see. So that means this can be, if actually this is fourth degree equation, we are going to take next question. Same model. This is actually fourth degree equation. In this fourth degree equation, this we have converted this fourth degree equation into quadratic. How? 2 into this part you can replace with t square minus 2 minus 3 times this is assumed as t equal to 1. You see now this is converted to 2t square minus 3t minus 4 equal to 0. So that means 3t, this is 2t square minus 2, this is actually 4, this is 4 to the 8, no? The 4 to the 8 actually here, yeah. So 8 means here, yeah, this 3, you won't get this 3 actually. So here 4, actually, yeah, this minus 1 is there, sorry, this minus 1. Yeah. So minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, 5 2s are 10, okay. So 5 2s 10, 2t plus, plus 2t, this is minus 5t minus 5. Yeah, you understand please, this is 2t square minus 3t minus 5 equal to 0 here. 2 5s 10. I use the same. 2 5s 10, and here this is factorization method. You understand? T plus 1 minus 5, if you take t plus 1 equal to 0. That means here t equal to either minus 1 or 5 by 2. Okay, so we are going to continue this one like this. Here, what is t here? T is x plus 1 by x equal to here minus 1 or here 5 by 2. See this. Because here this is clearly fourth degree equation. If you simplify this, this is fourth degree equation. Fourth degree equation will have 4 roots. So this one is x square plus 1 divided by x goes that side. Divided by x equal to either minus 1 or 5 by 2. Let's take other step. So now this one is going to be x square. This is minus x comes here plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Or this is x square plus 1 into this one if I take, then this is into 2 equal to this is 5x. So this one roots, what are the roots for this? So for this, what are the roots for this? I am writing here. Roots is x equal to minus 1 plus or minus under the top b square minus 4ac is 4 only by 2a is 2 into 1. You hope you understand this one. Minus b plus or minus under the top b square minus 4ac. So this one is 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Here this x equal to what are the roots? Minus 1 plus I root 3. This is minus 3, na? I root 3 you will get. So this one is going to be 2x square minus this is 2 2's 4. 4 1's 4. Minus x plus 2 factorization method. 2x if you take common, x minus 2 minus 1 if you take common, x minus 2 equal to 0. What are the roots? 1 comma. Here what are the roots? 2 comma 1 by 2. So because it is a reciprocal equation, roots also will come as reciprocals. This is actually 2 and 1 by 2 are reciprocals. Here also 2 roots are conjugate to each other. Also they are reciprocal to each other. Okay. So this kind of model we are going to see the other. Okay. Dear students, we have We are actually doing problems based on this quadratic equations, but this is actually fourth degree equation, and we can convert this into second degree. And how do you check that? This is reciprocal equation. How do you check? Here 2 is there, here 2 is there. That means the terms equidistant from the beginning and ending must be equal. That means here 2 is there, here 2 is there. First and last same. Second, so from the beginning second, from the last second, coefficients are same. Here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. So this is the third term anyway, equidistant from the beginning third, from the ending also third. So therefore this is concept to be what? Reciprocal equation. Okay, now this kind of questions how to do? We have to first divide. First step, this is the first step, divide by x square. To divide by x square, what you are going to get? 2x square plus 2. X square. Na? First term, if I divide by x square, 2x square. Second term, if I divide by x square, x. Minus third term, if I divide, minus 11x square by x square is 11. Plus here x by x square, 1 by x. 2 by x square, 2 by x square. That means divide by x square on both sides. We say, na? That means each term you must divide. So you have to write this like this. 2 you take common from this term and this term. Then what you're going to get is x square plus 1 by x square. Plus next term you write as x plus 1 by x in the minus 11 equal to 0. So here now what you should do? Same method previous to what we did. X square plus 1 by x square as t. Then automatically if you square on both sides, sorry, x plus 1 by x as t. Then automatically if you square, x square plus 1 by x square you get as t square minus 1. So now the whole equation becomes what? This is the main equation now. So this whole equation becomes what? 2 into t square minus 1 plus this is here this becomes t minus 11 equals 0. This equation becomes what? 2t square plus t. This is minus 2 minus 11 minus 13 equal to 0. Okay, here 2t square plus t minus, yeah, here actually, here, this is, if you take x square, this is t, then squaring on both sides, this is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, you know, this is 2, and this becomes 2, and this becomes what? This is minus 4 minus 11 minus 15. Then automatically from this, what are the roots you get? So what are the roots you get is t equal to, here one root is negative, other root is positive we are going to get. So if you solve this, you are going to get t equal to minus 3 or 5 by 2. So again, x value you take like previously what we have taken, x plus 1 by x equal to, if you take minus 3 or 5 by 2. So from this, yeah, what you are going to get, you know. So from this, from first, you are going to get here x square minus 3x becomes plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, or this becomes x square, x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by, this is x plus 1 by x equal to this, here x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2 you are going to get. If you solve this one, x equal to either 2 or 1 by 2, because our last question is same. Here you solve here, this one, you are going to get irrational roots. So this is one model problem. Okay, so we are going to see the next model. Okay, let's say let's take the next question. Question is this one: solve this one. You have to solve this one here. Let's see this one. How do you solve? So square root is there. That means obviously you have to square on both sides so that square root is removed. So a plus b whole square equal to this one. So a square, squaring on both sides. First step is squaring on both sides. So a square root is cancelled plus b square. This square is 3x plus 2 equal to. So here a square is this, b square is this, plus 2ab will be there. So 2ab will be there. So this is a square, this is b square plus 2ab. 2 into a is 2x plus 1, b is 3x plus 2. A square means its square. Its square is this. Its square is this plus 2ab is this is equal to 5x plus 3 square. Square root is cancelled. Now this one. So this is 5x plus, this is 5x plus 3 plus twice of this thing. This is 2x plus 1 into this is 3x plus 2. So this is equal to 5x plus 3 again. This is also 5x plus 3 again. So fortunately these two are getting cancelled. And then this one square on both sides again. Square on both sides again. So then what you're going to get is this is 4 times this is 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 2. You are going to get equal to 0. Alright. So that implies what you are going to get is x equal to either minus 1 by 2 or x equal to minus 2 by 3. But in these types of questions, very important note you need to remember, important note is you have to see when square root is come, you have to see when this you have to substitute here and check whether it is satisfying or not. So here this one is if you put x equal to minus 1 by 2, this is 0 plus this is what under root of minus. This is 3 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 2 equal to this is minus 5 by 2 plus 3. So here this one automatically this one is no, this one 2 to the 4 no, automatically this is 1 by 2 this side, this is also 1 by 2. Therefore this is all right. This root is all right. So the next one is minus 2 by 3 you need to substitute. Here 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Plus this is anyway minus 2 by, so this is 0 from this you got, therefore this is 0 equal to this thing. So but here what you are going to get is, so here minus 4 plus 3 by 3 plus 0 equal to something will come, but here minus 1 by 3 you are getting. So when this is square root of negative is imaginary. Therefore, this is not satisfying the equation. Though you got this, but you are not. This is not satisfying the equation given. So therefore, this is not. This root is rejected. So sometimes you get this kind of rejected roots because of this square root of negative number. Therefore, you should understand that here only one root is there. For this only one root, one solution. What is the solution? X equal to minus 1 by 2 is the only solution. So this is the another number. Okay.